For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to contour your lips. This is like a K-beauty technique that I would say just really elevates your lip game. It's super easy. Let's get right into the video. What you want to do first is, I have nothing on my lips right now. You want to make sure that your lips are fully bare. There's no product on it. There's no like lip balm, lip mask, or anything like that. You want it to be fully dry to start. What you can do is you can either take, if you have like a powder puff or like whatever you use to apply foundation, just go back in with a leftover product and kind of just like cover up your natural lip pigment a little bit. I'm literally using the sponge that I used to blend in my foundation earlier, and this will just give you the best base for your lip product. As you can see, my lips are a lot whiter now. For my first step here, I'm gonna go in with a lip liner, and you wanna go for a lip liner that's just a couple shades darker than your natural lips, and we're gonna really be using this to define and contour our lips. The one that I'm using is the NYX lip liner in the shade Sand Beige. We're gonna draw this lip liner down the middle here, like so, and we're gonna color the sides here. I want my lips to be more plump on the bottom, especially around the edges. That's what's gonna give you that pouty look as well. So on both sides, I'm gonna draw with the lip liner. Just gonna overline there and here. I feel like that's already made my bottom lip look so much poutier than it was before. For the top lip, we basically want to kind of bring out the middle part here. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna draw two little like bumps almost here. So there's gonna be one like here and then another one here. Almost like mimicking the Cupid's bow, but you're drawing it like much lower down here. For your actual Cupid's bow, we're gonna draw the lip liner up there as well. So this is kind of what it's looking like so far. There we are. So that's what the lip's looking like. Now we're gonna go in with a lip tint. This is the Romand Juicy Lasting Tint in the shade Pomelo Skin. Applying it like so. So I'm gonna put this, and this is just gonna be slightly lighter than the lip liner. I'm gonna apply that down the middle there. On the bottom here. I'm gonna apply that over the lip liner on the top, and also just right in the middle on the Cupid's bow. Like so. And from there, we just want to blend that out a little bit with our fingers. So I'm mixing it in the middle here and on the bottom here. So already just from that, my lips look so much plumper, bigger, and fuller, and it looks natural. It doesn't look like too much. And what I like to do is go in with a second coat of that lip tint sometimes and just put it in the exact same spot that I put it the first time and just darken that up a little bit. And as you can see, the lips just look so pouty and gorgeous. So I'm gonna go with the Romand Lasting Color Gloss in the shade Grapey Way, and essentially, instead of applying your gloss all over, you're actually gonna highlight it in the exact same spots that we put the liner. And this way, your lips just look more defined, more pouty, without looking like you just kind of got it all over your lips. And that is the finished lip routine. It's super simple. It takes like 2 seconds, and once you perfect it, I think it just really elevates your lip game and makes your lips look like you have lip filler, like you have that glossy, defined, beautiful makeup look that you see on K-pop idols. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this short little tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!